Viewers, Venkatesh Sridhar Jayanti has given a number of performances all over India and abroad. He has done his master's degree in performing arts, for which he has been awarded a gold medal to his credit. Coming to his academic qualification, he is an M.Com graduate. Talking about his choreography, he has choreographed many dance ballets and dance dramas. To name a few, Spirit of Andhra Pradesh is a Kuchipudi dance ballet. Talli Godavari and Natya Vidobham are two Kuchipudi dance dramas, and also One India, which is a production of classical as well as folk dances of India. Besides being a performer, he is also a dance instructor for reputed schools. Now, he would begin with Ganesha Stuti, Rachana by Utkada Venkata Subbaya, Nataraga, set to Khanda Ekatala.
श्री विघ्नराजं भजे श्री विघ्नराजं भजे श्री विघ्नराजं भजे श्री विघ्नराजं भजे श्री विघ्नराजं